Hey VV Nation, welcome to the 6 p.m. video this evening. And the big story right now is that crypto may be out of its crypto winter and starting to move back up. And is this a good time to be in crypto? Now, everybody already knows how I feel about crypto. I still think that it's a very speculative play, but I have never turned you off for an opportunity to make money in crypto. And I think that right now could be that opportunity. Now, if you're not part of the crypto game and you feel that it's not a good play, don't play it. But you may want to consider putting some money, even if a small amount of money, to take advantage of the opportunity to make some money right now. So let's get into my stories. Crypto is having a 2023 moment. And the story talks a lot about crypto is up to 42,000. That's today. After being in the crypto winter, it's gotten killed, but now is back on the rise. The investor sentiment has turned more optimistic in recent weeks. It's up 150% so far this year. Now, somebody's already asked me, is it too late to get into it? I don't think so, but I'll tell you why. Next one. Now, this is big because two of the crypto's biggest names are felons. That was FTX and that was Binance. And Binance had got through and they paid the price. And I think that's alleviating a lot of the fears in crypto. But I still look at FTX bad. A lot of big names invested in it and lost money. And I think a lot of us regular retail investors may be feeling the bad taste or still have a bad taste in our mouths about it. But with Binance getting caught, having to pay the money to get out of the trouble they were in, is it okay now? I don't know. All right, so with that, the third biggest one out there was Coinbase, and that is now going to be the beneficiary of the two big names going down. All right, next one. Crypto stocks rally as Bitcoin passes 41. It's up to 42. Coinbase witnessed an 8% increase, and a lot of the miners like Hive and Mara and Riot are all following right behind it. So whether it is Coinbase or any of the other miners, you could get in on any of these. Coinbase. Market shares grow outside the U.S. trading hours amid Binance saga. Bitcoin, Riot, Mara continue to soar. Somebody wanted me to talk a little bit about XRP. We don't track it in the VectorVest software, but I've got the 10 biggest crypto names out there, starting with Bitcoin, ending with Tron, and they wanted me to talk about XRP. I'm going to tell you that XRP is up over 3% in the last 7 days. Some of the big movers, Solana up 11.5%, Dogecoin up 13%, and look at this sub penny stocks, but up 13.5%, Bitcoin up 13%, Ethereum up about 11%. So out of the top 10 crypto tracked deals, 7 out of the 10 are up over the last 7 days. That gives me more proof that it might be okay to get into Coinbase. Looking at it fundamentally, horrible, straight up horrible. All right, way overvalued. All right, relative value, relative safety, way down below 1. What's helping it? RT. It's on the rise. It is a momentum play. This, my friends, is not a long-term play. It is a momentum play. RT is very close to 2. VST above 1. Well, even with the low RV and RS, RT plays a big role. Another thing I don't like, earnings growth rate, -7, not a long-term play. Let's go look at the volume, average volume, a lot. So there's a lot of interest behind it. And again, I still say if you don't like crypto, don't touch this play. But $141 is a lot of money. It is optionable, so you can bring the price down. And another big thing driving it right now is possibly in the next couple of months having a spot ETF price for Bitcoin. Folks, that's huge. And that's what I think is helping to push Coinbase and all of the cryptos up, is people are going to be able to get in on Bitcoin. It's up a lot, $42,000 to own Bitcoin. Who can own Bitcoin? Well, I can. I can get a few shares. Anyway, with that being said, the big thing is going to be the spot ETF on Bitcoin that's really, really getting close to fruition, driving this up. Let's take a graph of this before we go. Look at the 3-month graph. Look at the NPI graph. Even from a technical perspective, folks, we got trigger, we got trend. It's going to go, go, go. I'm going to give you a hard price on it, though. To get out of it is going to be, my stop is 134.06. All right, gapped up, hasn't faded the gap. A little bit of a closed candle today. More buying at the bottom wick than selling at the top wick. I like the play. I like that the near perfect indicator is giving us an opportunity to get in and rock and roll. But I guess, again, I've given you a hard stop. If you use the NPI, we'll give you a trigger to get out. But the trend is there. How far off the bottom of you are you? About a couple of weeks. And with that being said, I think that you still have an opportunity to get in. When would I get in, though? If I'm not in it yet, I'm going to go 12 cents higher than 145.96. I'm going to go 146.06. I'm thinking about a buy-in price at 146.08. All right, 140. If you're not in it yet, I'm looking at about 146.08. You got some room to grow. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Or you can take it now, but if you take it now, I'd put a half a position on. If you take it where it is right now without going above that resistance, I'd put a half a position on. Folks, do you like this? Remember, I'm looking for 3,000 views on this. You wanted to see it? Show me how much you wanted to see it. I'm looking for 3,000 views. VV Nation, you got to watch it. YouTube will then promote it. If you're brand new to the channel and you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. If you like what you saw today and it made sense for you to at least consider it, make sure you hit the like button. Folks, this video is over. Until then next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group. And we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.